So I've got these nice fine willows, all the same length, 2, 4, 5, and then I've got a slightly shorter piece. And make it go the opposite direction. Put it under my thumb, and then twist it all the way around onto itself, and then work downhill to make a little handle. This is what used to be a common binding to make a handle for, let's say, a rattle. So that's the handle. I've fitted it behind its own tail there, look. And then I'm going to pull each of these down, upsetting them with my thumb fingernail. And then I'm going to weave them one on top of the other. Over the stake, onto the first one. Over one onto the second one. Over one onto the third one. And the last one to the beginning. And then a bit at a time. Just go round and round, increasing the size of the knot in the middle. But my original trade is woodwork. So I trained as a carpenter joiner, and obviously fresh green wood is a thing that carpenters can use. So I got into green wood, and then of course willow is a green wood, so I got into using willow. And these are wonderful, inspirational little things that you can make, which can really spark people's imagination off and get them into willow weaving. So although it's not basket making, it's doing something traditional, in this case corn dolly kind of design, and using your hand-eye coordination, not losing skills which otherwise I'm sure we're going to regret in the future if we haven't got these skills. And you can make something quite beautiful in just a few minutes. Won't take very long. I'm putting it, just laying it to the outside of that diamond to make it increase just a little bit each time. When I want it to decrease, instead of laying it to the outside, I shall lay it to the inside. So you can make many things, from a bell to a corn dolly to a dragonfly, using this technique. These used to be rattles for babies, maybe that they're teething. So if you can imagine having a little stone or a little bell tied to the inside of this little rattle, you could insert it through there, then that would be a little plaything, obviously with a ribbon, so it wouldn't be able to throw out of the pram, you couldn't lose it, and the baby could chew on it, and it could get some salicin in from under the bark. That's what makes aspirin, and that in itself is a soother for, sore gums.